Hi there everyone. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to properly adjust your rear view mirror. Okay, I know that some parents, when they have their kids in the car, they'll adjust the mirror down so they can keep an eye on their kids, but that's not a good idea. The whole idea of setting your mirror properly is so you know exactly what's going on behind you as you drive. Now, let me just back this car out so I can get a better video because it's dark in this this garage. So first, this is a push button start car, a newer car. So first I have to place my right foot on the brake pedal. You don't press it hard, just press it so the pedal moves a little bit. And then here is the button. You just press that, let go, and then everything comes on. As you can see, that's the digital speedometer, and you can see the RPMs. It's running at what, 1300 right now. Then it will go down a little. Now in the meantime, I'm waiting for the revs to go down, and now it's down to 1000. So that's a safe speed for engaging your transmission to reverse. Avoid engaging the transmission when the revs are high. Okay, it's down to 900 RPMs. Okay, so for this particular car, there's no gear selector in the middle here. It's on the steering column. So as you can see, it's in P. So now I need to back up out of this garage, so I just rotate this. Now you can see reverse, and at the same time you can see the backup camera. So now all I have to do is make sure my car is going back in a straight line. But as you can see, my steering wheel is turned. It's supposed to look like the face of a clock. So before I move off, I'll straighten the wheel. And then all I have to do is check. Like, I don't trust the backup camera. I'm still gonna be checking as I back out of my garage. Okay, so this is good enough. Okay, so I'm gonna place the gear selector. I'm gonna place it in neutral. No, I'm going to drive neutral. And then I'll press this button here. And now it's on park. And you can see the parking brake. See that light there? It's there, so the car will not move when I remove my foot from the brake pedal. Now, so let's get back to setting up the rear view mirror. Set it. Once you're seated properly, you've adjusted your seat, then that's the time you should be adjusting your mirror. So right now I'm gonna be adjusting the mirror so I see way across the street from me, as it is right now. If you can see, there's a video camera in the back there, but I can see if I'm driving down the road, I can see if there's a vehicle or anything behind me. And that's basically the purpose of this lesson. It's just to show you how to properly set your rear view mirror. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now.